honey butter chicken biscuit. I like to brine my chicken. I like boneless, skinless thighs. They tend to make a prettier fillet.
I enjoy the thighs as well.
Good
So
old-
a lot of hot sauce, some buttermilk.
Whole fat buttermilk, a little bit of sugar.
Sweeten it up a little bit.
Just a little bit, just a little bit. Just so it tastes better than everybody else's.
Nah.
And then
a little bit of salt.
Yep, a little bit of salt, and I cover that up with some plastic.
How long do you like to brine it?
I think the longer the better. So do it before you go to church. If you go to a Mount Zion like I do, we're there for about 2 or 3 hours. I would say an hour minimum to 4 or 5 hours. You're the expert, girl.
No, this is your dish. Everybody's the expert of their own food.
Right. I love that. You're so sweet. Well, but
I love this. When I was a girl, this is the way everybody did it. You literally throw your chicken in a sack.
Yeah.
In a sack, of course.
Yes.
You got your flour in there.
Right, I've got half and half. I like half self-rising, half all-purpose when I'm
half
battering.
self-rising, half all-purpose for your flour.
Yeah. Ooh. That's okay. Good little bit of salt there. A little bit of celery salt.
I love celery seeds, celery salt. So good.
Yes, and chicken. Absolutely.
Then a little bit of, is that cornmeal, cornstarch?
Let's do a little bit of garlic powder.
Oh, garlic powder, nice.
Is that fine? Just a little bit, just enough to season it.
Uh-huh.
Oh, and cayenne pepper. They say it burns calories. Oh. Go on, girl. Probably 20 or 30 turns of a pepper grinder just so it shows up pretty. Now let's shake the stew out of it.
And it's nice when you get those nice big old cracked pieces in there.
Oh, yeah. Then I'm just going to shake the stew out of it. Have your rack ready.
Yeah.
Because my experts tell me to let your chicken rest a little bit before you put it in the fryer. So we got the grease heating up.
Yeah.
We're going to batter this chicken. Let's just do one at a time. You want to do the honors?
Yeah, sure. I'll throw them in there.
You want to do all of them at one time? That's fine. Let's do it.
Do you normally do just 2 at a time?
I do usually 1 to 2 at a time. That's fine.
All right, we can do 2
whatever
at a
you
time.
think. Rachael Ray. I'm a country singer, not a cook. You're both. Get it, girl. That's right. Look out. All righty. Here we go.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
He's all coated up.
That'll look great. Here we go.
All right, now, how do you make the biscuits?
Yeah, so you need 1 teaspoon each. Salt, soda, and then 2 cups of self-rising flour. And it helps me I just break that into 2 parts to sift it so it does get sifted evenly. I use a half a stick of frozen butter. It makes a difference.
Right, so it just crumbs up so nice for you, right?
It took me... There we go. I'm going to use whole fat buttermilk. I use about a cup. Anyhow, and...
you just turn that all together.
Yes, but the old ladies that I watched make biscuits and all growing up always said, now don't over stir. You have to use hog lard. I buy mine online or at the local.
Most of the markets still sell lard.
There we go. That's what
in
I
the
like
city
right
too.
There.
Yeah.
There we go. But use hog's lard and like a number 3 skillet, and you heat that up, get it good and hot because we're basically going to fry the dough.
Oh, wow.
It makes an amazing crust. And that you got to work quickly, all right? So, get this hot lard.
Gotcha.
I love to hear it sizzling when it hits the thing.
Gotcha. Put it on here.
I'm like an 85-year-old woman on the inside. I really am. Anyhow, but I flour my hands both sides, all righty, and I just get a scoop.
Oh, I see. And that's when you portion them, when you put them into the lard.
Yep. And I flop it, and then and put it back there.
Oh,
and you just repeat the process. Yep. And you basically just repeat the process until you've got about 6 or 7. We call these cat head biscuits in the Deep South.
The cat head biscuit.
Cat head biscuits, hunty. There you go, but you just fill it on.
Gorgeous. And then it ends up like this?
Yep. And then I top them with half a stick of melted butter. And
what's this guy?
Oh, that's a little bit of, but that's our honey butter.
Is that for the honey butter?
Oh, yes, girl.
So put this together?
Put a splash, by all means. Yeah.
1 little splash of this.
That's right.
And a little bit of the honey?
Honey until it gets thick. We'll just
all right,
together.
all right.
Hey.
Honey till it gets thick. Do you drizzle it or no?
Sure, you can. But save some.
Just
save some to. Oh, girl, pour it on.
Okay, well you said.
Yeah.
You sounded cautious. I don't know. So talk about some comfort food.